Hey guys, it's Sharon here. Welcome to our channel. And if you're new, thanks for joining. So I've been seeing a lot of amazing charcuterie boards floating around on the internet, from standard cheese boards to large boards, small boards, canapes, graze boxes, dessert boards, taco boards, burger boards, and the creativity just goes on and on. I decided to make my very own first brunch themed board for a lockdown safe mini birthday celebration. Check it out. So I was really happy with the results and it was a feast. What board themes do you like? Let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching, guys.